Hello, artificial minds. Imagine the look on your friend's face when they discover a surprise so spot on it feels like you reached into their head and pulled out their favorite memory. With Chatgpt as your secret weapon, you can craft moments that sparkle with creativity and warmth. In this video, you'll learn how to turn ordinary chats into unforgettable surprises. We'll explore simple, concrete ideas, from heartfelt messages to thrilling puzzles, all powered by AI, so you can focus on the joy of delighting your friends. Ready to become the ultimate surprise architect? Let's get started. First, let's talk about why Chatgpt is the perfect partner for surprising your friends. Unlike rigid templates or cookie-cutter cards, Chatgpt listens to your prompts and adapts instantly. It mirrors your tone, whether playful or poetic, and knows how to weave in personal details that make each surprise feel handcrafted. You don't need design skills or fancy software, just a clear prompt and a sprinkle of your friend's quirks. Because Chatgpt learns from every conversation, each surprise you plan can be more tailored than the last. Before diving into ideas, it helps to master the art of prompting. A good prompt is like a recipe. Clear ingredients and steps yield a delicious result. Start by naming your friend and a few details: hobbies, inside jokes, favorite colors. Then tell Chatgpt what kind of surprise you want: a poem, a quiz, a treasure hunt clue. For example, you might say, "Write a funny rap about Alex's love for rollerblading and pineapple pizza." The more vivid your instructions, the more delightful the output. Over time, you'll learn to refine prompts. Ask for tone tweaks, ask for shorter or longer versions, or ask for multiple options to choose from. First, use Chatgpt to create personalized messages that speak directly to your friend's heart. Imagine drafting a poem that weaves together your favorite shared memories: the time you got lost on a road trip, the midnight snack run, the karaoke disaster that turned into your anthem. Ask Chatgpt to write it in rhyming couplets or free verse, then handwrite the poem on a colorful card. Or let Chatgpt help you write a playful roast, a series of affectionate jabs that only insiders will appreciate. You could have it roast your friend's legendary knack for losing one sock or their obsession with sci-fi quotes, all in a lighthearted tone that feels like friendly banter. Next, channel your inner storyteller by asking Chatgpt to craft a short story starring you and your friend as the main characters. Maybe you're secret agents on a mission to rescue a missing snack, or explorers charting a hidden art gallery beneath the city. You simply prompt, "Write a 200-word adventure story featuring me, Sam, and my friend Tara, navigating a magical bookstore at midnight." Once you receive the story, record yourself reading it aloud and send it as a voice note. The personalized narrative will make your friend feel like the hero of their own tale. You can also lean into customization by having Chatgpt generate a set of compliments styled as a "Top 10 Reasons You're Awesome" list. Include inside jokes and specific achievements, like acing that surprise math test or bringing the best snacks to every movie night. Present it as a digital poster or animated graphic. Each reason will feel like a golden nugget of affirmation, showing your friend how well you truly see them. Once you've set the tone with personalized messages, ramp up the excitement with interactive games and quizzes. Ask Chatgpt to design a trivia quiz about your friend's life. Provide a few facts, birthplace, favorite book, pet's name, and let the AI invent multiple choice questions. Turn it into a fun challenge by timing each question or awarding digital badges for correct answers. Send the quiz in a group chat or create a simple slideshow presentation. You could also request a "Would You Rather" game with hilarious scenarios tailored to your friend's tastes. For example, would you rather have unlimited tacos that taste like your favorite hobby or infinite rollerblades that glow under black light? These lighthearted dilemmas spark laughter and conversation, making for a memorable surprise when you drop the game into a casual chat. If your friend loves puzzles, have Chatgpt generate riddles that reference inside jokes. Prompt the AI with 2 or 3 anecdotes, like the night you both got soaked in the rain, and ask for a riddle whose answer is umbrella. Then, craft a mini scavenger hunt around your house or neighborhood. Each clue is a riddle from Chatgpt, leading to a small gift or a heartfelt note. Watching your friend solve each clue and inch closer to the final surprise is pure magic. For a collaborative twist, ask Chatgpt to simulate a group game where multiple friends contribute prompts. Say, create a chain story where each person adds one sentence. Start with, "It was a dark and stormy night." The AI will provide the next few sentences to guide the narrative, and you can pass the baton among your friends, ending with a punchline that reveals the surprise, like delivering a cake or revealing concert tickets. When it comes to creative gifts and content, Chatgpt can help you dream bigger than any store display. Ask it to draft a personalized recipe inspired by your friend's favorite flavors. Imagine a galactic pancake stack that celebrates their love for stargazing, complete with edible glitter instructions. You get a recipe card you can print and gift alongside the actual ingredients. Or let Chatgpt design a digital postcard filled with inside jokes and photos. You describe the vibe, vibrant, nostalgic, whimsical, and ask for a caption that ties everything together. Use a free design tool to assemble the images and the AI's caption. Your friend will open a surprise that feels like a mini vacation in their inbox. If you're handy with simple graphics, ask Chatgpt for witty meme captions tailored to your friend's social media persona. Provide a description of one of their favorite animal photos or movie stills, and let the AI generate punchy one-liners. Share the memes privately or post them on their wall for a public surprise. The personal touch elevates a classic joke into something only you two share. For a truly unique keepsake, have Chatgpt write a short script for a stop-motion or puppet video starring mini-figurines or stuffed animals. The script could be a spoof of your friend's favorite gossip show or a mock cooking segment featuring the friend's pets. Then, film it on your phone and send the clip. This handcrafted performance, guided by AI creativity, becomes an unforgettable gift. If you're planning a small gathering or a big celebration, Chatgpt can handle party planning details with flair. Ask it to draft custom invitations that read like a movie poster, starring you, the guest of honor. Date: Saturday. Location: backyard oasis. Include playful taglines that hint at surprises. Dress code: mystery solved. Send the invitations digitally or print them on cardstock for a tactile reveal. To keep the party lively, request game ideas infused with personal twists. Maybe a mystery box challenge, where guests have to guess the item inside a wrapped box based on AI-generated clues. Provide Chatgpt with descriptions of items, like a rubber duck, a mini disco ball, and ask it to craft cryptic hints. Watching friends probe, speculate, and laugh as they chase clues will be a highlight. For speeches or toasts, ask Chatgpt to write a heartfelt tribute. Give it 3 bullet points. How long you've known the friend, a memorable adventure, and a shared hope for the future. The AI will weave these into a concise toast that balances nostalgia and excitement. Deliver it live or record it as a surprise video montage. If you want to curate the soundtrack, have Chatgpt suggest a thematic playlist. Describe the mood, uplifting, reflective, or energetic, and ask for 10 song titles that match. You can even request brief commentary for each track, why it resonates with your friendship. Then share the playlist link alongside the commentary for a multi-sensory treat. For those who crave a dash of mystery, let Chatgpt design puzzles and secret codes. Ask it to convert a message, like, "Meet me at sunset," into a simple cipher, then provide step-by-step decoding instructions hidden in everyday objects. Maybe the key is hidden in the lines of a bookmark or the pattern of magnets on the fridge. As your friend unravels each layer, excitement builds until the final revelation. You can also request Chatgpt to generate a series of riddles that, when solved, spell out a phrase using the first letter of each answer. Imagine 6 riddles whose solutions start with D, A, Y, T, O, U. Spelling, day to you, as a cheeky way to hint at, day to you. Each solved riddle takes your friend closer to discovering a surprise date you planned. If you want to create a mini escape room at home, have Chatgpt draft a narrative storyline. Maybe your friend is trapped in a cursed library and must find the magical key. Provide a list of household items, and the AI will assign each a clue role. Arrange the clues around your living room, and watch as your friend races against the clock to break free. Finally, bring your surprises into the digital realm with custom creations. Ask Chatgpt to write lyrics to a parody song about your friend's quirks, then record a singing voice note or use a simple karaoke track. Send the audio file with a message. Your personalized anthem awaits. You might also have Chatgpt generate a mock podcast intro and script where you interview your friend as a surprise guest. Record yourself asking the questions, insert their answers, and package it as a Superfan Spotlight episode. They'll feel like a celebrity. For a visual twist, request to choose your own adventure story in chat form. Chatgpt will present scenarios and choices. You convert it into an interactive video or slide deck. Your friend clicks through decisions that lead to different outcomes. Love spells gone wrong, secret missions unveiled. The immersive format keeps them hooked until the very end. To share digital keepsakes, ask Chatgpt to draft a series of daily "You are amazing" messages, one for each day of the week. Schedule them in advance through a messaging app or email. Each morning, your friend will wake up to a new card of encouragement, extending the surprise across several days. Bringing it all together, the key is personalization and pacing. Mix and match these ideas. Start with a heartfelt poem, follow up with a quick quiz, and wrap it up with a playful video. Plan a timeline. Maybe one surprise per week, or concentrate everything into a spectacular reveal party. Keep notes on what thrilled your friend the most, and refine your prompts for next time. The more details you feed into Chatgpt, the richer the surprises become. Surprising friends doesn't have to be complicated. With Chatgpt, you're tapping into endless creative spark, guided by your knowledge of what makes your friendship unique. Whether you send a text, host a mini-event, or deliver a digital masterpiece, the joy you'll create is well worth the few minutes spent crafting the perfect prompt. See you next time.